Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 6, 2018. Well, we have another hot and humid morning out there with areas of low fog reducing visibility between 6 and 8 miles. It's starting to rise, though, as we start to get the fog to lift. Unfortunately, another hot and humid day is on the way with a heat index likely to range from the mid-90s to lower 100s. The good news is that we're at the end of this hot and humid weather pattern, but it's still going to remain pretty volatile. And of course, we have a hurricane to keep an eye on out in the Atlantic. So let's cover all this information. So temperatures this morning range from the mid-70s to lower 80s with high levels of humidity, dew points in the lower to mid-70s, even a few upper 70s along the coast. So it is sticky, ugly, and humid out there. No showers or thunderstorms in the region just yet, but that's going to change by the time we get to this evening. On the satellite picture, you can see those low clouds starting to slowly give way. Over here, here's our cold front off to the west. This cold front will be moving through just in time for the evening rush hour, producing scattered showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms will be capable of some very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. So it's certainly something to keep an eye on. On the latest surface map, you can see our cold front that is approaching the region. Here are the remnants of Gordon. We're going to have to keep an eye on this for Sunday, especially Sunday night with the threat for some heavy rainfall, especially over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. The groundwater levels are already pretty high to begin with, so any additional rainfall is not going to be pretty for the region. So we're definitely going to have to keep an eye on that. Meanwhile, we have Hurricane Florence out here in the Atlantic. As of the 5 a.m. update, we have winds of 115 miles per hour and it's moving to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. Now, this hurricane may weaken just a bit for today. Okay. However, changes are on the way as the environment becomes more favorable for intensification. You could see the forecast here for it to become a major hurricane once again with winds over 120 miles per hour. So it's something that we definitely have to watch out for. Regardless whether the storm hits or not, I would strongly suggest that you get your supplies in hand. Just for the simple fact that we're moving into nor'easter season anyway, so you want to be sure that you're prepared for any coastal flooding, beach erosion, also power outages. Make sure you have all your batteries are stocked. Make sure that your fire alarms are all set, that you have the batteries renewed. All that stuff you should be doing anyway, okay? So that's why I would suggest preparing now. Make sure you have some bottled water at hand. And, just be prepared, let's say, if you're out of power for about 3 to 5 days, okay? Even in the case of a nor'easter, that can happen. So it's good to be prepared for that anyway. In terms of the track of the hurricane, we just simply don't know what to expect beyond this point 5 days out. But, of course, we will be keeping an eye on the evolution of this storm. One key note, the further north this storm gets, the more likely it will just recurve out into the Atlantic. At least that's based on climatology. We'll see whether that holds true moving forward. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, our cold front moves through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures rise into the mid to upper 80s along the coast and upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. Watch out for that heat index in the mid 90s to lower 100s. For tonight, the cold front continues to sink south with periods of showers. Look for lows in the lower to mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, the cold front stalls to the south of the region with periods of showers expected. Not a washout, but definitely a cloudy, cool, wet type of day with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s on the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. On Saturday, watch out for a few showers in the morning hours. Then as we move on through the afternoon, this high pressure system will build south with clearing skies and much cooler conditions. So the morning's going to be a little bit wet with a few passing showers. The afternoon, clearing skies from north to south. Look for high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s throughout the region. On Sunday, high pressure and complete control in the morning with clear skies, low temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s. It's going to be very comfortable out there, very nice. This high pressure system is going to start to give way, and this low pressure system is going to be approaching with the remnant moisture of Gordon. Look for increasing clouds throughout the day with showers developing towards the evening. High temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s. From the mid to upper 60s. That's right, mid to upper 60s. I had to stop there for a second. It's going to be pretty cool on Sunday. Perfect for football weather. On Monday, Our high pressure system continues to give way, period of showers with an easterly wind. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Tuesday, a warm front will continue to try to move through with periods of showers expected, lows in the lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. On Wednesday, the cold front moves through with showers in the morning, followed by sky cloud cover. Look for lows in the lower 70s, highs in the lower to mid 80s. And on Thursday, we'll watch to see exactly where Hurricane Florence ends up. Whether it's closer to the coast or out in the Atlantic, it's still going to be capable of producing some rough surf. So definitely be prepared for that if you live on the shore, and some coastal flooding and some beach erosion. And certainly it will be windy with a nice easterly wind with this high pressure to the north of the storm. But other than that, we're not sure the exact track and impact of this storm just yet. Watch out for a few scattered showers coming in off the Atlantic regardless. Look for lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is the forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.